Hey, what's up guys, KingRye15 here, and I'm back again with another unboxing of these earphones here. These are called the TW60 Earphones. So here's the name, very reminiscent of Apple style of packaging, of course. Oh, got a sick barcode. Got a picture of the back of it. Get a closer look after this. Made in China. And TW60 again. So let's unpack this. Alright, let's unbox this. Let's have a close look at the back. Let's take these earphones out. You can already see the beautiful green colour. Oh, that's nice. Really nice mint green colour here. With USB-C, which is really cool to find in these cheaper earphones instead of micro USB. Charging cable and the ear tips of different sizes. Also got the little manual of papers. Still out. Oh, I'm ripping it. Oh, I could have just done that. Not really the right shape, is it? TW60 user manual. So let's get the wire out of here. Got the nice USB-C. Quite small. Large and small. Okay guys, since the last video I've charged this and I've changed the ear tips on it. That's all I've done, and it's daytime now because I wait till the next day for better video quality, and I messed with the white balance, and this is a bit closer to what the actual colour of it is. So yeah, let's open it and show you what's inside. As you can see, wait, gotta turn this on. Let's just there you go. What's that? Yeah, so red means they're charging, like they've got a bit of battery to charge. The case is very close to fully charged, as far as I'm aware. Yeah, so I went over its USB-C and everything. So yeah, let's get these out. So you got left, you got right. It got like a nice kind of like colon shape, and this is just like hollow, and then all the internals are in here. See, that means it's fully charged. This one's still got some charge left, but enough to demonstrate, more than enough. So just take these out. See, they start flashing red and blue. So they've just automatically connected to my phone. So let me turn Bluetooth off to properly demonstrate. Put these back in the case. Okay, so whatever. Take these out. Start flashing red and blue. Then you go to your Bluetooth menu. Turn this on. Power off. Just turns off on its own after a while. Took too long, so one sec. It's best to do this at the exact same time because you don't want like with the cheaper ones where like one connects and the other doesn't. That's just a pain. And there you go, automatically connected. But normally it came up with TWS for me. So there you go. Got that connected. So I'll show you some of the features. So here you can see these big round metal parts. They're not buttons, but what's actually amazing is they're touch screen, like they're not screen, but they're like touch, which is cool. But I don't know if it's entirely good because at this price, touch isn't fantastic. Also, what else I want to show you is these ear tips, the differences in the size that was provided. So yeah, let me just show you them. I'll take the ones off this off. So they came in the medium size. They do look quite small. I don't know if it's just me, but they look smaller than your usual ones. Then you got small here, which is tiny, and medium, the ones they came with. Not a big difference between small and medium, but there is obviously still a difference. But the big ones are the best for me. So just put these on. They fit a bit different, like with other ear tips. The other ones don't fit on this as well. They're a bit loose. So yeah, so be careful now. If these tips don't fit as you like them, I don't know how much aftermarket support there is. Like, I mean, just in terms of other ear tips. Put these away. Sorry guys, my voice. So let's get to showing you some of the functions of the touchscreen buttons. So it's already on my phone. This is just random songs in my playlist. Just leave. I need one that's very children friendly. Well, you're not going to be hearing anything in it, so just put that. And then just a random one. There, yeah. So let's see which one left, which one not focusing very well. There. No, I'll just put the volume all the way now. So you got left and you got right. Right there, as you can see. One sec. It's pretty powered off on me. Oh, I've been touching. I had my finger on it. Okay, there. Right. What's that down there? Okay, there. Right. And then you got left. So the left one's going to stay on the left, and the right one's going on the right. Look at there. So, are these still on? Let's try. So I'm going to tap the left one. Okay, I think they're off. Let me just reconnect them. Sorry guys. Right, left. Okay, there. They're connected again. No, they're not. Yeah, now they're. Okay, so I'm gonna tap the left one. Played. Okay. Tap the right one. One tap pauses and plays. Normally, no. And then you also know that normally like double tap means skip forward. So let's double tap. Oh, wait, I mean double tap the right one. Double tap the right one goes to your next song. But double tapping your left one, yeah, goes back one. So I like that over 3 taps because sometimes I miss a tap. Double tapping on which one. But also if you, some people like sometimes even I like to just wear one. Sometimes I don't want to hear other stuff. Can't really do that properly as much as I'd like to. Also another thing, the touch isn't great. I think I would have been just better off with just a button. Because sometimes it doesn't register. See there, it's not registering. I have to tap it quite hard. No? Those don't want to work now. There. And there's a bit of latency when doing it, as you can see. Sometimes I can't even tell if I paused it. Yeah. Overall, I really do like these earphones. Like they come in loads of colours. I'll have a picture at some point in this video showing like the website. I got these off Groupon for £15 from 35. Even at 35 I think these are completely worth it. Even at 35 I think these things are completely worth it. So many colours, and you just really can't go wrong at this price point. But I will update in the description if there's anything else that I don't like about it or nothing, all of that kind of stuff. But I might as well give it a sound test. I'm not the right guy when it comes to this stuff, so I don't know about all the words and like can't differentiate too much because I haven't tried like super high end stuff. By the way, this point goes upwards in your ear, so not like down. This goes in your ear, so it fills your whole ear. So yeah, one sec, I'm gonna give him a sound test real quick and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I gave him a quick listen, and what I can say is there's quite a bit of bass in this. Like, it shakes your head, not loads, but like you can tell there's quite a bit of bass in it. It's bassy. The actual voice of whoever's singing or rapping or whatever, yeah, is quite good, but it's a little bit, I think the word's muddy, like a bit not as clear, but it's still great. And the beat in the back is great, but I think it gets overtaken by the bass a bit. I don't know if my words are right, but hopefully you get what I'm trying to say. So overall, a nice listening experience for the price, and will do you just fine for casual listening. Obviously, you don't want to do it for like professional audio, but who's gonna do it? Yeah. So hopefully that's enough to help you guys make the right decision to get these, because for the price, amazing. Case looks good, and USB-C. I like the nice touch buttons. It's easy to read and differentiate. Comes with a nice user manual. And yeah, hopefully these are right for you, and nice design as well, I'd say. So overall, just good all-round earbuds. Oh, that's nice. I wonder what the purple stands for. I'll have to read through the user manual, you know. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed, and hopefully you're gonna get these if I helped you find the right ones. And I'll put links in the description. You can find them on Amazon and stuff. They're called TW60, but they have like another brand name in the front, but I'm pretty sure they're all the same. So yeah, well, thanks for watching guys, bye.